AI still feels kind of far away. Most of the time, it's something you use on your phone or your computer. It only really shows up when you open an app, but this little things on my chest feels different. This is the Looki L1, a wearable AI camera that quietly captures moments throughout your day. So, what does it actually do? And what is it like to wear something like this for a few days? Let me show you. So, this is the Looki L1. And to understand it, you kind of have to stop thinking of it as a traditional camera. It's not a GoPro and it's not a Pocket 3. Those are devices you reach for when you want to capture something. Looki, it works more like a wearable life journal, something you keep on throughout the day so it can passively capture small moments, while the app turns those moments into memories you can revisit later. That idea only works because it's so light. At around 32 grams, it's easy to forget you're even wearing it. It feels less like a camera and more like a tiny wearable gadget, sometimes even more like an accessory. And in AI mode, a full charge can last up to 12 hours, which is more than enough for a normal day out. The camera is just how it sees your day. The app is the whole point. AI mode is probably the mode I will leave on most of the time. You do not have to actively feel anything, you just clip it on your chest, turn on AI mode, and that's pretty much it. In AI mode, Looki dynamically figures out when something is worth capturing, then records those short moments for you. And this is the part I actually get. Most days are not one big highlight. It is usually just coffee, dinner, trying somewhere, or a small moment with someone around you. You probably would not pull out your phone for most of that. I wouldn't either. But at nights, when those little moments showed up again in the app, they do feel kind of worth keeping. AI mode is meant to take that job off your hands. It keeps recording little bits in the background, so later the app has enough to work with. So after wearing the key for 3 days, I kinda get it now. It is mostly catching the stuff I would never stop to feel myself, like my cats working around at home, me sitting at my desk, dinner, coffee, parking, walking through the mall, very normal things. But when the app posts them together later, it feels just different. It is like, wait, that actually was my day. For image quality, just set the right expectation. It's a 12 megapixel camera, 4K photos, 1080p 30 FPS video, and a 190-degree field of view. Daytime clips look good, indoor clips are fine, darker places get noisier, but that's fine. The clips are just the material. The real fun is what the app does with them later. The comic, the auto vlog, the moments you can search back to. So for me, the question is, when I look back at it, does it bring me back to that moment? This is where Loki got really funny for me. I wrote it during the day, opened the app at night, and it gave me this. Look at this comic. That's my actual day in there. My cats, my desk, the food, the car, the places I went, even a few tiny room details showed up. And this is what I like about it. It feels personal, but it is still easy to share. I'm showing the vibe of my day, not just dumping raw footage of my home or everyone around me. It kind of feels like Lucky took all the small random moments and turned them into a little diary page. And then there is the auto vlog. Let me just show you the one it made. See, this is the part I really did not expect. I did not add that. It already picked the clips, added music, added caption, and gave it a flow. Imagine spending the day with your friends or family. Maybe you go out for lunch, walk around, drive to a few places, and nobody is really thinking about filming. Then later Luki took those little moments into a short video you can send back to everyone. That's the kind of thing people actually want to keep. It is quick, easy to share, it makes a normal day feels a little more worth remembering. And that's the fun of Looki. You just wear it, live your day, and later the app gives you something that feels like your day was actually safe. The AI question part is also pretty fun. After Looki has captured your day, you can ask it things like where did I park, where did I go today, what did I buy, or what was I doing in the afternoon. I know that sounds a little weird. You are basically asking a camera to remind you about your own life. But after using it, I kind of get it. There are a lot of tiny things in a day that you do not really store in your head. Where you park, which stop you went into, what you saw on the shelf, what time you got somewhere. Usually those details just disappear. With Looki, you can ask, and it will look through what it captured. It's not something I will need every hour, but when you actually forget something, this can be useful. Then there is PIE, Looki's Proactive Intelligence Engine. That's the part where Looki can send little message, reminders, facts, stories, or observations based on your day. Some of them feel more like fun little comments. Some can be useful, but the interesting part is that the AI is reacting to something you actually did, not just answering a random question in the app. So it starts to feel like a little more like a small AI companion than just a camera. After 3 days, the wearing experience was better than I expected. Looki is only about 32 grams, so once I clip it on, I did not really feel the weight. There were a few times where I walk around for a while and then remember, oh right, I'm still wearing it. The way it looks depends on what you wear. On darker clothes, it blends in better. On high contrast clothing, it stands out more. So I will treat it a bit like a wearable accessory. Pick the right outfit and it looks much more natural. For image quality, I think the expectation has to be right. The footage is there to help the AI understand your day. The final experience is the comic, the auto vlog, the live log, and the things you can ask about later. And of course, privacy has to be mentioned. Looki only captures when you turn it on. When it's active, there's privacy light and system sounds, so people around you can tell it is working. Looki also hosted the data on Amazon Web Service with end-to-end encryption. It also has sensitive content filtering built in to help avoid restrictive, explicit, or private material being processed in the wrong way. So yeah, after a few days with the Looki L1, I think I know who this is for. If you're already the kind of person who likes saving little moments, this is actually something I would recommend. It lets you capture a day without constantly pulling out your phone and turn everything into content. For me, the comic is still the standout. It feels personal, but it's a little less exposed than posting raw clips from your home or your routine. The auto vlog is also surprisingly useful for casual posts, and the Q&A thing is nice when you generally forget something small. When I use this as my main camera, no. If I care about shots, I will still grabbing my phone or a real camera. But as a wearable that helps you keep track of normal life in a way that's easy to look back on and easy to share, I actually think it's pretty cool. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.